Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 20, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. Column I, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 8. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4, 8. Second row, third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 8. 6th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 6. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 6 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8 and 9. Column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 8th row, 10th row, we have 2. 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 8. It will come in any of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column C, we have 3. 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. 7th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 4. 8th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, column B, column C, we have 9. Nine can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, column B, we have 5. 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. First grade, column F, we have 2. 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 5th row, 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row and 6th row we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. In one of the cells we will confirm later. Column F we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, column F we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, column C we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 4th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 6th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column F, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.